guy, yeah. Honestly, the rate of this inflation in phone price, man, I can't even
I don't even understand this content.
Because
a liter of fuel 500.
Man, I spent almost 50,000 in my car. So
no, we check out Innoson.
That's why I'm here. I heard of their CNG commercials and the rest. So let's check out. Let's see what they have.
If it works out, I go even buy luxury for travel.
Okay, you mean this for your transport, right?
Yes.
Okay, hello.
Hello. Good day.
Yeah, good day. How are you doing?
Welcome to Innoson Vehicles Manufacturing Company. How may we help you?
Okay, I see a commercial like something like you guys producing CNG cars.
Oh yes.
Because you know what's affecting now the
economy, the subsidy.
So how do you go?
You're welcome to the right place. And come around, let's show you the CNG vehicles and what we have here.
Okay.
We have amazing vehicles here that don't use fuel. So let me lead you guys to the manager of the company to give you guys intro and a lot of stuff you need to know about this. Yes. So
hello sir. I'm Emmanuel.
I'm Sonny.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good to meet you. Okay.
Okay. I heard about you guys producing CNG cars.
Yeah, of course.
So let me see what you guys have in stock. Because you know what you're facing. I can't just continue with all this stuff.
This is IVM G20 Smarts.
Okay.
And as the name implies, it's a very smart car.
Okay.
It runs both in petrol and also in CNG.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it by this thing? I can use
dual,
petrol,
yes,
petrol and CNG on that.
It's dual. Yes.
Okay.
You can use CNG. You can use petrol.
Okay.
It has 1.5 liter engine. Even with petrol, the fuel economy is superb.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
tell me more about it. Let's what you guys have.
Okay.
Wow.
If you look at the car, there's a multimedia listen, and it also has a reverse sensor.
Okay.
And it's manual. You can as well produce automatic.
Okay. Okay. Wow.
It was actually built, with Nigerian economy, at heart.
Okay.
It has a super fuel economy.
Okay.
Leather seats.
Wow.
Let me show you the CNG cylinder.
Okay. Well, the seats are nice. I love it. I love the interior.
Leather seats.
Wow.
So if you look at the situation in the country now, the price of petrol has tripled.
Yes, that's the actual reason.
That's why we provided this CNG so that it can at least ameliorate the high cost of petrol.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but the beauty of this smart that can use petrol alone, can use CNG, can use both.
Okay. Wow.
Both of them can work together to reduce the consumption.
Okay. Wow.
Does the AC work with the CNG gas?
Of course.
Okay. That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah. We also have a city bus. It's actually built for mass transit.
Okay.
And also run on CNG.
Also CNG also.
Yes, CNG and diesel. Come have a look.
Let's have a look.
Let's have a look.
More fast.
Wow. I'm impressed. Yeah, these are the cylinders.
This is the cylinders.
For the CNG?
Yes.
For the CNG.
For CNG. And it also use diesel.
Okay, wow.
Yes, it has a 60 seating capacity.
60?
And also 50 standing capacity.
Okay.
So this bus can carry about 110 passengers.
Let's see inside. Let's move inside and see the interiors.
Inside and see.
Wow.
So you can see.
Wow. Interesting.
You can see for yourself. This is actually meant for city bus.
And you have enough space, man.
With the high cost of
having very nice.
Yeah, very
the seats
spacious.
The seats are cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Lovely. So they buy fuel stuff.
Okay, biofuel.
Yes. Is it
what of the AC standard of this bus?
Oh, fully air conditioned.
Okay.
Fully air conditioned.
How does it?
The beauty of it is also that you can also use only diesel, you can use only CNG, and you can use dual.
Okay, okay. You can switch automatically or manual.
Of course, you can switch it automatically.
Okay, and this.
No, there's a system there where you can switch it.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. What's this?
That's a microphone.
Okay,
You can address. Yes,
okay,
yes.
That's lovely.
To communicate the time.
And the doors is also power doors.
Yeah, power doors. Wow.
That's it. Locks automatically.
Yes, yes. From here, the driver can open the doors and can shut the doors.
Can shut it.
Okay, that's nice. So
That's nice.
let's move in and prepare the papers. I'm interested. Okay. Thank you.
What you say.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I know what I see.